Hi, I'm Josh. Let's make lamb shish kebab. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Add the mince to a bowl, add the onions, coriander, cumin, fenugreek leaves, chili powder, fresh chillies, garlic and ginger paste, salt, garam masala, black pepper, mint sauce and finally the fresh coriander. Mix thoroughly for a good few minutes, squashing with your hands to blend a fine mush so it stays together when cooked. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for a couple of hours. Take about 1/6 of the mixture and form it into a sausage shape in your hands. If you had thick skewers, push the side into the mixture, then use your fingers to join it together, turning the skewer frequently. Alternatively, simply roll into a sausage shape and flatten slightly. Grill or oven cook at 250 Celsius for around 6 to 10 minutes, turning frequently. Check out this, my accompanying garlic sauce and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.